Elle est bon temps roulé. Big boss man. Yeah. Super chick. Move up. Now you don't wanna go to war with a soldier. Mentally Nick Tesla with words that'll fuck you over. So over, fused with the DNA of a cobra. Most interesting like Los Equis. It's sad that you're numb. Shame your main bitch is too cuff and begging to blow 'em. Monster like Brian or the baby moms to Terrell Owens. I'm Bruce Lee glowing when I'm flowing. You ain't knowing white boy pissy when I'm drinking super hard. I'm going young, black and gifted. I'm the new Ali. With bloggers trying to get a pic like I'm Blue Ivy. I'm official without an SSN state ID. You better be factual when talking slick shit about me. Cause I'm competitionless, cause all my opposition quit. After they weighed out all the options, only option was to split. Ain't no need for extra optics, it's quite obvious I'm it. X-mouth in this bitch, and I'm sliding in this bitch. Boy, I been real, the pen skill, been ill, been a fool, make the biggest niggas for minuscule. Don't put menace and venom that's in them like finishing moves. The adapter of rappers, I make it do what it do. Stay up on my GQ shit and my H&M fit with my Ford model chick. Got that old school appeal on my floor model shit. Well read, big brain, young nigga who just happen to spit. Fuck that, now in all caps, bitch I happen to snap on some Kevin Ware leg shit. Are you aware of this? Yellow Euro cut shirt, red slim fit jeans, Tim put me on. Do you see how